children, good morning. We are here to celebrate the third day of the auspicious Ignatius Week. Mother Nature has her mysterious ways to open our eyes when we, the people, blindfold them against her to achieve our selfish motives. So, protecting and conserving it is our utmost duty. Today, I, Shikha Mathur, want to share some Ignatius values regarding our environment. Nature is so beautiful, so a poet bursts out into a song to describe its glory. हरी हरी वसुंधरा पे नीला नीला ये गगन कि जिस पे बादलों की पाल की उड़ा रहा पवन दिशाएं देखो रंग भरी दिशाएं देखो रंग भरी चमक रही उमंग भरी ये किसने फूल फूल पे ये किसने फूल फूल पे किया सिंगार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार. These lines emanate from our heart too when we see the nature's beauty and we wonder who is the artist who painted it. Nature is magnificent, charming, mighty, and bountiful. We enjoy it, use its resources, and create new things and celebrate our success in creating them. It is here that we need to follow the values given by Saint Ignatius. As we are celebrating the 500th year of the foundation of the Society of Jesus, we need to know the spiritual beliefs of Saint Ignatius, its founder. He thinks that nature is the extension of God's unconditional love. Each one of us, even a blade of grass, is the temple of God. So every creation is sacred, and we should love and serve it. When Saint Ignatius wrote the spiritual exercise, the environment was pristine and pure, with no industrial revolution or carbon emission. Since the onset of the Industrial Revolution, human beings are at the center stage and indiscreetly exploiting nature, eliminating biodiversity, contaminating water, denuding the forests, and releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. It has led to climatic changes, global warming, and onset of numerous diseases. Jesuits from all over the world have formed plans to restore Mother Earth, awakening each one of us to see and hear the cry of the earth. Gujarat Jesuit province has also taken the responsibility to undertake ecological activities in Gujarat. Our Rosary School has collaborated with an organization called LEAF, Leaders in Environmental Action Force, to spread environmental consciousness amongst children. It is to give them the Ignatian value to becoming conscious of God's presence in the beauty of His creation, and to bring personal commitment to work for the care of our common home. A variety of programs have been organized since the last 6 to 7 years. The students made trips to different places and planted about 2,000 saplings to make the environment green. Exhibitions were arranged in the school on different topics related to environment. They made a variety of things from waste materials too. They made pottery using the clay to feel Mother Earth. They went to Xavier Technical Institute Sivasi to make vermicompost themselves to enhance the growth of plants naturally. Not only this, they made a herbal garden of medicinal plants themselves in our own school. So, let us keep up the values of St. Ignatius and love nature as God resides in it. Now, let us say a prayer for our environment. O Lord, grant us the wisdom to care for the earth. Help us to act now for the good of future generations and all your creations. Amen.